Designed for imperfect sealing surfaces, engineered and manufactured specifically for the repair environment to help seal imperfect sealing surfaces. Material: rubber. Strong and durable, features molded rubber over a rigid carrier for durability, precise alignment and fit. Superior seal, proprietary molded rubber design helps to eliminate leak paths, especially in problem corner areas. Easier to install. One-piece construction is easier to install than multi-piece assemblies and helps reduce potential for installation errors. Installation aid. SnapUps aid in holding the gasket in place for easy installation and allow for quick bolt tightening. Prevents overtightening. Torque limiters help eliminate over-tightening and gasket splitting and extruding. Every part for the repair. FEL-PRO gasket sets include every part needed for the repair unless otherwise noted. One-piece gasket set. Made with rubber and has a steel core. Ideal for stock replacement use. 1-year manufacturer's warranty. FEL-PRO gaskets offer 100% vehicle sealing with application-specific materials to give you sealing solutions with the performance and durability professionals trust. Top reviews from the United States. One-piece gasket is great. How easy it is to install depends on whether your motor is in or out of the vehicle, of course. I did mine with it in but had no obstruction, so it wasn't terrible. Sealed great. Don't do like I did and forget to put a dab of RTV on the corners where the bearings meet the pan surface. You will have to take it off like I did and do it twice.